Good morning friends. Today we will see how to draw the development of lateral surfaces of one pipe section, which is the elbow section as shown in figure. Now to start with this, now let me draw the circle as one of the end view of this section. Divide this circle into 8 equal parts. Name this part as A1, B2, C3 up to H8. Then draw the projection of all these generators like B2 and D4 I have drawn on the common line of intersection of this elbow section. Then project A1 and E1, project H8 and F6, and last one is the G7. Now after this, name the cutting points as the common cutting points for this two portion of this elbow section or pipe section. So I am drawn P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash and T dash as the cutting points for this elbow section. Now to start with the DLS, first of all draw one rectangle of length pi d. So here you take diameter of this pipe section as 40 mm. So pi into 40 mm will be the length of the rectangle, and you take height as 60 mm. So height will be 60 mm. Now divide this length pi d into 8 equal parts. Name these points as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A will be our starting point, B, C, and the end point is again A. Now draw the generators through all these points or divisions. Then project P dash as a cutting point. So as P dash is on C3, so it should be here again on C3. Similarly project Q dash. So as Q is on B2 and D4, so B and D, so Q is on B2 and D4. Similarly project R dash. So as R is on A and E, similarly it should be on A, E and A. So I have projected cutting point R dash. Project S dash and T dash. Now S is on H8 and F6, so H and F. So S dash is on F and H. T is directly on G, so on generator G the cutting point will be T. Now join all this cutting point with a smooth curve. So this much is the DLS of the cut portion, top portion of this elbow pipe section. Similarly we will do for the remaining lower portion of the elbow section. Now in the similar way, calculate pi d as pi into 40 mm as a length. Draw one rectangle of height 60 mm and length pi d. Then divide this length pi d into 8 equal parts in the similar way as we have done earlier. Name these parts as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So A is the starting point and A is the end point. Draw the generators through it. Now project the cutting point one by one. P dash. So P is on C3, so here again it should be on C. Similarly Q is on B2, so it is B and D. Similarly R is on E and A, so R is on A, E and A. S is on H and F, so S, if I project, it should be on H and F, and last point is the T. Now join all these cutting points with a smooth curve. So this is the DLS of the remaining lower portion of this elbow section. Thank you very much for your patience listening and watching.